Hello and welcome to How to Play Aces in the Pot, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Aces in the Pot. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 2 dice and 2 tokens for each player in the game. The object of the game is to be the player to safely roll the dice when only 1 token is left in the game. Tokens are lost by rolling a 1, which is also known as an ace, or by rolling a 6. Player 1 starts the game by rolling the dice. If a 1 is rolled, a token is placed in the middle. If a 6 is rolled, a token is given to the player left of the roller. Nothing happens for any other numbers rolled. Player 1 has rolled a 1 and a 4. Player 1 will put 1 token into the middle for the 1 rolled. Player 1 does nothing for the 4 rolled. Play moves to Player 2, who will roll both dice. Player 2 rolls a 2 and a 3, and nothing is done for these numbers. Play moves to Player 3. Player 3 rolls a 5 and a 6. A token is passed to the left for the 6 rolled. Player 4 is next and rolls a 2 and a 6. A token is passed to the left for the 6 rolled. Play returns to Player 1, who rolls a 1 and a 6. Player 1 moves a token to the middle and a token to the left. Player 1 is now out of tokens, but is still in the game. When players have no tokens, they do not get to roll the dice, but they can get back to rolling if a token is passed to them. Play moves to Player 2. Play continues to move clockwise with players rolling the dice and moving tokens as needed. Once the game is down to 1 token, new rules are introduced. Now, the first player to roll both dice 3 consecutive times without rolling a 6 wins the pot. Rolling a 1 no longer requires putting a token into the middle. Player 3's first roll is safe. Player 3's second roll is safe. But on the third roll, Player 3 rolls a 6 and has to move the token to the left. Player 4 now has a chance to win by rolling 3 safe rolls. Player 4's first roll is a 1 and 6. The 1 no longer has significance, but Player 4 moves a token left for the 6 rolled. Player 1 is able to make 3 safe rolls and wins the game. If a player rolls double 1s, 2 tokens go to the middle. If a player only has 1 token when rolling double 1s, the 1 token goes to the middle. If a player rolls double 6s, 2 tokens go to the left. If a player only has 1 token when rolling double 6s, the 1 token goes to the left. If a player rolls a 1 and a 6 with only 1 token, the token is moved to the middle. Once the game is down to 1 token, the players need to roll 3 safe rolls to win the game. 1s no longer require a token moved to the middle. If there are only 2 tokens left in the game, and the player rolls double 1s, 1 token is moved to the middle, and players start to go for 3 safe rolls. That wraps up how to play Aces in the Pot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!